Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 14th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Applied Materials. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Applied Materials' performance, especially given their significant role in the semiconductor industry.
Absolutely. Applied Materials has just released their fourth quarter and full fiscal year 2024 results. Let's get into the details. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Applied Materials reported a net revenue of $7.5 billion for the fourth quarter, which is a 5% increase year over year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is impressive, especially in a competitive market. For the full fiscal year, they achieved $27.18 billion, up 2% from last year. This growth is driven by their strong position in the semiconductor sector, particularly in materials engineering.
And what about profitability?
On a non-GAAP basis, Applied Materials reported an adjusted EPS of $2.32 for the quarter, which is a 9% increase year over year. This is above the analyst forecast of $2.08, based on a survey of 11 analysts. Their net income for the quarter was $1.73 billion, reflecting their efficient cost management and operational execution.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. How has Applied Materials managed to maintain strong margins?
They've done an excellent job. The gross margin for the quarter was 47.5%, slightly up from last year. Their operating income reached a record $2.6 billion, which is 29.3% of net revenue. This indicates robust operational efficiency and cost control.
And what about their cash flow and shareholder returns?
They generated $2.58 billion in cash from operations this quarter. Importantly, they returned $1.77 billion to shareholders through share repurchases and dividends, demonstrating their commitment to delivering value to investors.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from Applied Materials?
For the first quarter of fiscal 2025, they expect revenue to be around $7.15 billion, with a non-GAAP EPS of approximately $2.29. This guidance reflects their confidence in continued demand for their products, particularly in AI and energy-efficient computing.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the segment performance. How did the different segments fare this quarter?
The Semiconductor Systems segment led the way with $5.18 billion in revenue, driven by strong demand in foundry and logic. Applied Global Services also performed well, with $1.64 billion revenue, reflecting robust service and support operations. However, the Display segment saw a decline, with revenue at $211 million due to market softness.
What strategic initiatives are they focusing on?
CEO Gary Dickerson highlighted their technology leadership and execution as key drivers of their success. They're focusing on enabling AI and energy-efficient computing, which are critical for semiconductor innovation. Their strategic initiatives are well aligned with industry trends, positioning them for future growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Applied Materials has delivered a strong performance in Q4 and fiscal year 2024, with record revenues and solid profitability. Their strategic focus on AI and energy-efficient computing positions them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Applied Materials continues to demonstrate resilience and leadership in the semiconductor industry. Their ability to beat EPS expectations and maintain strong cash flows is commendable. Investors should keep an eye on their strategic initiatives as they navigate the evolving market landscape.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Applied Materials' performance in the comments below.